Welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. Bless up first and foremost. I'll pull on them with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. Today we are going to talk about with the description of the video say. So please consider to subscribe. You see me? Naturally. Okay, peeps, so make we kick it off like this now. So Poppy Dan, which is a producer found in Jamaica, you see me? Produce good music, man, not gonna lie. So news today is that him get arrested for a scam. And yeah, a whole heap of people in a shock, like what I say. And who don't know this a brother here, boy, now can know him in another video, you see me? Cause it's not a person where so much people familiar about him Facebook. Him and Chanel Muir good, and him produce good music.
Yo, Poppy Dan, I love the body, cause the body make me happy. This one you're loyal, your friend never knock it.
Yeah.
Don't know Poppy Dan music. Top girl,
Yeah.
when I ask, blessings. Yeah, my bella, all of them something there. See there, big bad producer.
That's when.
Alright.
Behind bars after scamming thousands of dollars from elderly residents. During the search warrant, detectives found several items, including firearms, ammunition, and $17,000 in cash. The suspect, Dante Johnson, is accused of defrauding at least 17 people who paid to participate in sweepstakes that promised winners a large amount of money. BSO detectives say he opened several fraudulent accounts to receive the funds. Johnson has since...
Yeah, man, so the brother, I look on a serious charge right here, so if him not got jail too, you see me? But I mostly jail them would have sent him in another situation, but we are waiting for the rest of the news, guys, because it can be misidentity end of the day. You see me? We have give him the benefit of the doubt, but you see me? You can't have your life so straight, brother, and go and get yourself involved in them something, or the wrong something that people are trying get themselves together and get out of something. But anyways, Siloni and the other end people, after she keep her big bad party and no bad mind active, them get rid of her page, the person who didn't control and now give her no access. Is it? I'm sure no one go on, you see me?
Alright guys, good evening or good morning or good night. Any state you're in, because I'm going live. This is my page. This is the only page I have because somebody was running the page for me and it's for them phone and it's for them thing. The only thing is me go on the live. You understand? And I said it doesn't make sense to have a phone now. I buy a phone and somebody doing my life. Remember me not have no sense of me mad. So we can't make sober people run my life for me. You understand? Now if you want to, until I've read something, you know. If you want to follow me, and you have to follow me, I add this. You understand? Somebody share this video because where you used to watch me, I'm not there anymore. This is my page and this is my phone. So I'm going to tell you how to get in touch with me. I soon put it on the screen. As you see, we have seafood restaurants. Every Friday you can come here, see my meal here for my birthday. Today is my official birthday, March the 5th. But because I couldn't get the date today, to keep the party, I have to keep it the 4th. And see, from Miami, the lady purchased a cake and a Moscato, and I have in my meal. Somebody already purchased the clothes, the ear from the runway closet, my hairstyle, my makeup, my sneakers, and you can see all about it. You understand? No, my son is not here because he have to rush out. He was here early on. You understand? Remember where me coming from? All the top range people kinda understand me and they really don't understand. The only somebody understand me is Joseph because me I go see him no answer. If me lick him no understand. Him no answer. Or him no lick me back. Because he want know the struggle, the pain I went through. So I really don't trust nobody. I don't trust my mother, the Bible say. I don't trust my father, my brother, my sister, my niece, my nephew, my neighbor, nobody. But myself. And you have to first love yourself before you can love others. You have to deal with your issue before you deal with somebody else's one. So because me know me have issue, me I take it to God. Big up Miss Donna to make me reach this far. Because she started a job and she see the goodness and God grace and mercy on me and she follow with the dream. You have to follow your dream. So where you can get me at, share this video because where all the posts and everything, I'm not there anymore. Share this with me, and if you want to call me, you can. You will get me. You understand? Because some of you already have my number, you can call me. Me know them say me ungrateful for this. You understand? But God can't fool and God not keep none. My Bishop, Reverend Dr. V.T. Williams said that. You understand? And you first have to love yourself. I used to just show me love myself. Me I go upon my life by myself. Be my own manager. Me and Joseph. Because I told we struggle and God bring me this far. So any success is for me and Joseph. You understand? That's what me did. The legacy live on. You understand? As you see yesterday, I keep my 9th of my birthday. Thank you guys. Thanks for the success. Thanks for the support. And all who don't support me, and I know a lot of bad mind people was there. Eat your heart out. Go ask God about the problem. Don't ask me. You understand? Because I go on fasting for this. And God said, remember your man. And for me to get the glory, run your own page and be your own manager. You understand? Or me can't manage nothing. My son and me, competition together, we can do it through Christ. All things are possible. We can do all things through Christ that strengthens us. Thank you, Miss Donna, for your strength. Sometimes you cuss us, but it brings out the best in me. Thank you. Thank you for the two Moscato. Thank you for the bag, and thank you for the $5,000. You understand? A lot of people talking and say they really love me, and I say all kind of thing. You understand? I was watching, especially when the selector playing. When you did broke, yeah, everybody alright. And him say a lot of people go and jump on board with you. And me see everything. Because I was at the back and watching who at the front. I me see everything and know everything. And know who is with me from who is not with me. You understand? When me did broke, me everybody alright. Me I come from far, from way in my country. St. Mary, St. Thomas. So nobody know my story better than me and Joseph to be our manager. And you can follow me. Share this video, please. I need your help. As you see, I come in live, I need your help. Share this video and follow me. You understand? Because I change out everything. You understand? I go on fasting for this. And this is the way the Lord is leading the mad woman. No.
So what Saloni is saying, guys, the page that you normally follow her on, you have to unfollow that page and come over to this page.
Because this is where I'm at now.
Official page. Because she asked the person to put the page on her phone and they said it's their page. It's not her Salone page.
But they was just using me to do the live and go on live. We have to wait on them. If they're not there, no. If you follow me and if you really love me, follow me and you will see success. You understand? To this is to me, so don't diss me. Just follow me. You understand? And we will have a lot of things more in coming and a lot of things to say. You understand? And you can pick sense out of nonsense. We now have to talk everything raw on. But if you follow me, you will pick sense out of nonsense and know where I'm going and know where I'm coming from.
Okay, guys, so the page is Saloni _Anderson _official page JA. That's Saloni new page. She's gonna monitor her own page. So this is the page. So wherever you is with her, if you're her fans, unfollow yourself from there. Because that's not Saloni page. They take that page from me.
Somebody take it from me. So I'm not going there, no live no more or nothing.
So anything you say on that page is not Saloni personally.
You understand? If you want to follow me, we can't force you. If you don't want to stick to that page, stick to it. If you have an event, you can call me. You understand? If you want to go live with me, you can call me. Follow me, please. You understand? Because I'm coming from so far and God bring me out. So just follow me and understand me and never have a phone, my phone mash up. You understand? I beat it with stone, clean it to the wall. No, I don't add and get back a phone. And this is where I'm at now. Change up my number and everything. So just follow me.
So it's Salone _Anderson_ official page JA. That's the page you're supposed to follow Salone on. As
And
of
share
today.
this video, share it. Share the live with somebody and tell them Salone page change. Salone is not there anymore because it's not my phone. They say it's their page. It's them set it up. They was just using me to do the live. You understand?
So
Now everything cancelled, everything take back, and I am doing my own page.
Alright, so okay, so our outfit, our hair is from Icons Nails and Beauty Salon. Hairstylist Christine. Nail tech Davina. Outfit from Rip the Runway Closet. Our sneakers, our Nike sneakers, is from our first donor, which is Yvonne Clark from the Bronx. And what was it again? She gave? She give you the sneakers, and she give you $3,000. So you must buy something, buy yourself a drink, Salone.
Thank you.
All right.
And this is the cake with
now
my
is
picture
from
on it.
one of your Miami fans. So she bought the cake and she bought the Moscato.
Right, and
Okay.
I having my seafood.
And the
right
seafood
here.
is from Seafood Fridays at Smoothies, Juice Bar and Cafe. So you say to the people them, Salone.
I want to thank you guys for bringing me this far. You never have to like me because me didn't notice I really look terrible. And since you clean me up and God help and Miss Donna and my son, because I can't leave out my son. You understand? And with the help of you guys who donate to my house and help me this far, I can't, I'm grateful. My mother always tell me, say, when you cross the river, not sure you stick over there because probably you need it for crossover. Now I'm doing my own, what God want me to do and my fans want me to do. You can't blame me. Go talk to God, because if I go on fasting and God leading me somewhere, I just have to follow. Where He leads me, I will follow. And I'm following Miss Dana's footsteps because she's a principled woman. She's a no-nonsense woman, just like me. We just talk with mine. Like me or not like me. Everybody say, most people are going to be ungrateful. Ungrateful is not my phone and it's not my page. The only thing that make me go on live. You understand? And I get views and likes and whatsoever. You understand? Now I don't have to go there no more because I have a phone. If you have your one is your own. And run your own business. Me not gonna make somebody else run my business when me is alive and my son is alive. Anything is for me and my son. Because we struggle. Rat bite to it. All kind of sleepless night. Hungry just eat bulla. We never see so much people. You understand? But now I run my life. God run my life because Him give it. And when God take it, God take it. And when God open doors, He open doors. When no man can close. And everybody I say, I'm going to be like who? I'm going to be like she. You understand? And them fall. God never fall. And God said, me fall time, He will pick me up. You understand? And I 7 times rise, 7 times fall. Read the Bible. So now, share the live and tell somebody. So I have a new page. Because it wasn't our page, it wasn't our phone. We just go there and then do the live and I walk away and go like me, I go like me, I eat them. Don't be doing no one business. You understand? Give God thanks. And all the fans, give no thanks for bringing me this far. And you will see more of Salone while I enjoy the cake, the wine, and the seafood. God bless you.
All right. Safe walk, yeah? Salone, your fans, them really love you, especially your first donor, because as she first, do want to look at something for you and she come back again with it. Come back again with it. Come back again with it. She sponsor your Nike sneakers and she give you $3,000, say you forgot to buy what you want. You know what I mean? And then now somebody Yeah. So the Miami fans that purchased the cake, it's from Energy Massage in Miami and New York. She have a location in Miami and she have one in New York. So she purchased Saloni a cake for her birthday and she get her a Moscato. Yeah? And your business, Saloni. What you gonna do? You gonna drink some of your champagne or you just carry it with you? Because you have a date, you have a next date.
Yes.
Alright, so she will soon be off on her next date. They just start, and it starts right here at Smoothies Juice Bar and Cafe. Alright guys.
Now when things happen, you can make history repeat itself. You understand? You have to learn from the mistake.
Yeah.
And God not too much. If God love you, God love you.
Yeah.
No matter what you do. If you just kill a man, God love you. And if you get saved, God love you. So all of a sudden now me are evil. Make me stay in my ways. Me and my fans them with me evil and ungrateful self. Bye bye.
You're out.